Now we study from math textbook page 97 until 100. This one 1A. How many hours are there in 9 a.m. to noon? Noon it means 12 p.m. Dari jam 9 pagi ke jam 12 siang. So 9 a.m. to noon it means 3 hours. Next B. How many minutes are there from 11 past 1 p.m. to midnight? Midnight it means 12 a.m. Kalau tengah malam berarti midnight 12 a.m. And then this one, because of already 1 minute past 11, this one 1 minute past 11 to 12, it means 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes minus 1 minute equal to 59 minutes. So the answer is 59 minutes. Okay. Next, 2. What time is it? A. 4 hours after 10:31 p.m. So you must minus it. Yeah. This one, how to answer? Yeah. 2A. 4 hours after 10:31 p.m. Yeah. In here, after it means you should plus it. So 10:31 p.m. plus 1 hour equal this. Plus 1 hour equal this. Plus 1 hour equal this. So this one change AM. Because already 12. If PM already 12, so become AM. Equal to this, and then this equal to this. Yeah. So the answer is 2:31 AM. Okay. Next, B. 22 minutes after 7:54 a.m. This one cara ke-1. Ya, cara ke-1 I mean ya, the first ini yang B. 22 minutes after 7:54 a.m. This one, the first rule, cara ke-1. So 7:54 a.m. So you make it to 8 o'clock first. So equal how many minutes? 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Yeah, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes been minus by 54 minutes. So equal to 6 minutes. Ya, ini cara mudahnya. Kamu harus jadiin ke jam berikutnya. If this one 7 o'clock, so this one become 8 o'clock. So, but this one is 54 minutes. Ya, so equal to 8 o'clock minus 7 equal 8 hour minus 7 hour equal to 1 hour. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes minus by 54 equal to 6 minutes. 7:54 bin plus 6 minutes equal to 8 o'clock. Okay, but this one is 22 minutes. 22 minus 6. So 22 minutes minus 6 minutes equal to 16 minutes. So this one 16 minutes. So this one 6 minutes, this one is 16 minutes. Yeah. 8 o'clock bin plus 16 minutes equal to 8:16 minutes AM. So 8 o'clock 16 minutes. So it means time 8:16 AM. It means 16 minutes past 8. Okay, but this one is in the morning. Now the second rules, cara kedua, if you don't want to write this timeline, you can answer with this way. Yeah. Okay, this one 7:54. This one is 7 o'clock 54 minutes. If this one in minutes, so this one in hour. So this one minutes, so this one also minutes. So minutes you just plus with minutes. Ya, ini minutes, so this one is hours. 54 bin plus by 22 equal to 76. So this one still 7. Hours 7, minutes 76. But there is no until 76 minutes past. So you should comparison with this, yeah, to compare with this, yeah. So you have to minus it with 60 minutes. 76 minutes minus by 60 minutes. 60 minutes you compare to 1 hour. Yeah, this 1 hour. So 7 plus 1 equal to 8. 76 minus 60 equal to 16. So 8:16. 8 hours 16 minutes. Yeah, the time is 8 o'clock 16 minutes AM. Okay. So next. Yeah. This one to C. This one 6 hour 44 minutes. This one 6:44 minus 9. Okay, this one to C. This one 9 hours before 6:44 AM. Artinya jam 6:44 pagi dikurang 9 jam. This one you should minus it. 6 hours 44 minutes minus by 9 hours. But how come? This one to C. Yeah. So we should add this for a day before. Yeah, a day before. Yeah. You have to plus with 12 hours. This one 6 hours 44 minutes. You have to plus it with 12 hours because for yesterday, a day before, ya. Untuk satu hari sebelumnya kamu tambahin 12 hours, 12 jam. So this one hour, this one minutes. Ya. 12 bin plus 6 equal to 18 hours 44 minutes. So this one 18 minus 9. 18 minus 9 equal to 9. This one 44 minutes, don't minus anything, so still 44 minutes. Okay. This one, the time is 9:44 PM at yesterday. Okay. Next. This one, the second rules. Cara kedua, kalian bisa bikin timeline, ya. Timelinenya ini dari sini ya. Karena a day before, so we go forward. I mean, we go backward ya. Backward, mundur ke belakang. Ya. Jadi tanda panahnya harus mundur ke belakang. Oke. This one, this one 6:44 a.m. you just plus, back, ya, backward 1 hour, 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 backward 1 hour. Okay, so this one, yeah, this one the time. Yeah, the answer is 9:44 a.m. It means 44 minutes past 9. This one is PM actually, at night. Yeah. So we just this. Yeah. In here is PM. Okay, because this one at night. Yeah, yesterday at night, so using PM. And then this, Kelvin started running from 7:33 a.m. to 10:24 a.m. How long did he run? So start from 7:33 a.m. 2. So if 2, so you go forward, ke depan, tanda panahnya ke depan. Ya. This one 7:33 a.m. we start this. So make it easier. Ya. Bikin yang lebih mudah timelinenya. So from 7 to 8. It takes 1 hour. Ya. Dari jam 7 ke jam 8 jadi 1 jam, 1 hour. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. If 60 minutes minus by 33 minutes equal to 27 minutes. Yeah, equal to 27 minutes. So you just minus it, 27 minutes. And then 8 o'clock in the morning, 8 a.m. And then bin plus 2 hours. It still can be 2 hours. Why? Because it's easy. To 10, right? So this one 10. So 8 to 10, it takes 2 hours. Yeah. It takes 2 hours equal to 10. 10 o'clock in the morning. And then this one is 24. 10 past 24. You just write in here 24 minutes. So equal this. 10:24 minutes. Okay. If you don't understand, you can repeat this video. So the answer is how many minutes? Yeah. This one how many minutes? You just plus it. This one 27. 2 hours 24 equal to 2 hours, and then 27 minutes bin plus 24 equal to 51 minutes. So the answer is Kelvin ran for 2 hours 51 minutes. Okay. This one, page 98. Rani took 2 hours 35 minutes to bake cookies. Yeah. She started baking them at 10 a.m. What time did Rani finish baking them? Yeah. If what time, so you should plus it dan minus it. Yeah, because start. So this one we draw in here. Start is 10 a.m. So it takes 2 hours 30 minutes. So this one 1 hour equal this, 1 hour equal this, and then 35 minutes equal this. So this one 12:10 bin plus 35 minutes equal 12:45 p.m. Okay, and then Rani finished baking cookies at 12:45 p.m. And then page 99, number 5. Mr. Lee spent 2 hours 35 minutes ironing his clothes. He started ironing at 1:15 p.m. What time did Mr. Lee finish ironing? So it start in here. Start 1:15 p.m. 1 hour equal this. 1 hour equal this, and then the rest is 35 minutes. You just plus it. Yeah. 15 bin plus 35 equal to 50. So 3:50 p.m. Mr. Lee finished ironing at 3:50 p.m. Okay. Next. This one. Page 100, number 6. Rosario packed some cookies in bags. She finished packing them at 12:26 p.m. He took 1 hour 50 minutes to pack them. When did Rosario begin packing them? So it starts 12:26. I mean finish. So finish you should write at the back. This one finish. This one begin. So this one finish 12:26. We go to 1 hour. We go to 1 hour equal to, we go backward 1 hour. Mundur ke belakang 1 jam. Ya. Dari jam 12.26 mundur ke belakang 1 jam sama dengan jam 11.26. Oke? 11:26 p.m. And then you minus it with the rest of this 26. Lihat dari sini 26. So minus 26 equal to 11 a.m. So this one is this one is a.m. Yeah, this one is a.m. and then 11 a.m. and then if this one 50 minus 26, 50 minus 26 equal to 24. So you just write here 24 minutes. Okay. And then 11 o'clock been minus by 24 minutes. Yeah. How you get here? Ya. Berarti jam 11. Lihat di sini hour is 11. Ya, it means 11 o'clock. So minute is 00. Yeah, the minute is 00. Minus by 24 minutes. How come become minus it? We just borrow 1 hour from this. 11 borrow 1 hour equal to 10. 10 minutes. I mean 10 hours. So 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 0-0-nya kita ganti jadi 60. Ya. 60 di minus 24 sama dengan 36. Nah, di sini ganti jadi 36. Ya. Ini 10. Tetap 10. Nah, ini turunin 10-nya. Ya. Oke. And then kamu turunin ini semuanya. Ya. Semua ini. Angka-angka yang di atas berarti 1 hour before 12:26 p.m. is 11:26 a.m. Ya. So 26 minutes. The last is 24 minutes. Okay. If you don't know this explanation, you can repeat this video.